Good morning, traders. How you doing? My name is Ramon from Forex Tigers, Chief Currency Analyst and Head Trading Coach. And today is another episode of the Market Preview, and I'm here to share with you a very wonderful experience that I had in this week. We managed to get 400 plus pips, and however, we're going to talk about wonderful trading opportunities that are likely going to happen in the coming week. But as I always say, technical analysis is not 100% correct, and this is not a signal service. These are speculations and this is our analysis. Anything can happen and we don't know the market, the next move of the market. What we really do is to predict the future price movement. So without further ado, let me just start sharing with you. And in front of you is the Euro CAD. This is a day trading time frame. It's the 4-hour chart, and most of you really don't like to use this platform, to use this time frame, but if you really love about your money, you will likely love to use this platform and this time frame. Okay, now as you can see is the Euro CAD, and we had a very nice entry down below this zone at the 147.87. This is where we triggered our orders, and there were various rules of engagement that had met. But on the underlying pattern, when we go to a day trading time frame, we have a very good cipher pattern formation after the occurrence of the Inca leg and the failure to go low under the 127 extension. As we can see, had a very good cipher pattern formation after the occurrence of this Inca leg. For those who don't know what an Inca leg means is one straight leg with one outside return and a pull back down to the 127 extension. And how do we know this is a valid pattern? We, as usual, swing high to swing low, back up to swing high. Then we meet the 127 extension, we put a one tick up. So once we saw this, we had to drop down to the 4-hour time frame, and it clearly stated that we had a failure to go lower. We had two double bottoms. For the first time, the market tried to form new structure highs but failed, then pull back up, came back to the second time, still failed to break and close below this zone. And however, we had a straight rally up, and for the third time again, we had a failure to break and close below this zone. So what does this mean? This means that the market is losing momentum to continue its bearish movement, and this might be a very wonderful trading opportunity for those who are looking for a buying spot. So we created a new structure high, then we pull back down, and once again we failed to break and close below this zone. This clearly proved that this is the beginning of an upward move. So here was our entries, and if you can just see, the move just went rallied. The move just went up, straight up for the whole day. So however, this is not an opportunity. Once it has completed the C2D move, it had completed its pattern, and right now we're looking for another selling opportunity. Now how do we know this is a selling opportunity? Now we go back to our day trading time frame, our daily time frame, and we will see how to identify a selling opportunity in the C2D leg completion of our cipher pattern. Okay, now if you really want to go for a selling opportunity, you will use our Fibonacci retracement and measure from the overall swing high to the overall swing low, then find our 786. Now as you can see, our 786 is a structure, and when you look left, we had another structure right here, and when you continue to look left, we have another structure here. You see, we had the structure all over the place, and we see wicks to the upside pointing to the up. You can see hammers. So this clearly shows that this is the beginning of an upward move, a beginning of a downward move. So when you drop down to a 4-hour time frame, this is a drop down analysis. We clearly see the formation of a double top. We see a formation of a valid double top. We had another valid top, one top, another top, and both have wicks to the upside. So what should we expect? If the market goes as we expect, our entries will be down below here. After we break and close below the structure is where we'll find other selling entries. Now, as I say, this is just my speculations and these are just my ideas and analysis. For you guys, you can find trading opportunities in relation to the strategy, and once the rule of engagement has been met, you can really get involved in and get more pips. So that's it, guys. This is how we made 400 pips in this single move, and clearly what is going to happen in the next week if the euro continues to show strength. Also, when we go back to our euro USD pair, euro dollar, this is a trade that we got stopped out. This is a trade that we got stopped out very soon after the fundamental releases, after the fundamental news release. So we all know that trading is really not suitable for everyone, and not everyone can bear the losses. So you guys just follow your trading plan. It doesn't matter whether you're in a losing streak or in a winning streak, as long as you follow your trading plan, everything will be good. Everything will be good. Now this is the Euro USD. Again, it's a 4-hour time frame, and when you switch to the bigger picture, we had a break and violation of the trend line. See, we had a break and violation of the trend line. We see the market was going in a very good move, respecting the trend line, but since the news, we had a news release in the midweek, and we see the market just spiked up again, and it will really continue going up, but we really don't know. So we took orders, we sold right here, but unfortunately we got stopped out up here, and as we all know, this is how it does in Forex. You lose a trade, you make up in the next trade. So that's it, guys. This is just a short video preview on how we made pips and how we got stopped out, and also what is going to happen in the near future. So me and my team are just wishing you a very wonderful week, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.